We are your trusted partner for all robotic needs. We're experts in the field, ready to help you find the perfect solutions for your business. We're your trusted partner, ready to help you find cost-effective solutions for your business. We handle all shipping, taxes, and VAT. Our flexible payment structure helps you manage your finances effectively. With ROBOSERV-SOLUTIONS, setting up your robot is a breeze. Our expert technicians ensure a seamless installation process and provide online guidance every step of the way. If you need extra help, we can connect you with trusted local IT companies. We ensure that you stay informed every step of the way, utilizing your favorite communication channel. We provide online lifelong support to our valued customers. At ROBOSERV-SOLUTIONS, we stand behind our robots with a rock-solid warranty. Expand your robotic fleet with our attractive discounts on bulk purchases. Learn how to maximize our robots' potential with our free online training videos and files. Train yourself with knowledge before receiving your order. Customized robots for your specific business requirements. Unleash the power of personalized robotics. We're here to help you make the best choice for your robotic needs. Visit our website for contacting us and for more information.